This is GoPro Hero 7. Before you use it, live streaming with PC OBS Studio, please set up something in the OBS Studio. First, please go to the OSD and select the HDMI output. Please select the live, and then go back. Go to this menu. Select the stabilizer. Please place the off. Video stabilization off. It is important. Off. Okay. This is a Vibon 180 UVC HDMI graphics card. Please plug it. Your notebook must be Windows 10, and Intel CPU and USB 3. If your PC is not follow these conditions, it will become the USB 2 mode. It is not good. Please use the Windows 10, Intel CPU, and USB 3. And then this is HDMI output of GoPro. Plug it. First, plug the UVC HDMI cable with PC, and then plug the HDMI, and then turn on OBS. This is field scenes and the source. Please edit the video source. Select the HDMI video. The resolution, please select the Full HD. FPS 30 or 60. Okay. YUV. Okay. And the audio input. This is audio input. HDR audio. Okay. The video is from the GoPro. Okay. If you want to live streaming, please use the wire Ethernet. It is important. Okay. And then go to Facebook. I use the YouTube to test. Copy paste. Copy the string key. copy, paste. Okay, and go to setup again. Please set up this is string key, YouTube, and you select the second is output. Please use advanced. Select NVIDIA H.264 new, and the bitrate you can select 3000 to 7000. The number is when you select the big number, the video performance will be good. And then select 48. And image resolution Full HD 16. Okay. Live streaming. You can see this number. It will become always the green screen. Green. If the color become the yellow or red, it means that your internet is not good. Okay. So you can see the YouTube. This is YouTube. Okay. Live streaming. This is an easy way to do the YouTube Live. Use the GoPro Hero 7 with your PC and to do the YouTube Live. It's very simple. You can use Faber 180 UVC 就可以观看。